Hi, welcome to EZSSH demos. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how to use EZSSH to authenticate to your GitHub repository using SSH certificates. So here I have a sample GitHub repository that requires me to have SSH certificate to access it. So if I do a pull request right now, it's not going to work. As you can see, it says that I don't have access to this repo. So it's going to be as simple as doing EZSSH git. This is going to open up a browser and ask me to log in with my corporate identity. Once I log in with my corporate identity, it goes and creates our GitHub identity successfully. So if we go back to the same repo, we can do a pull. And now it works. This is how easy it is to use EZSSH Git. The reason I used Tortoise Git for this demo is to show that EZGit works with most Git clients that your developers are used to using. Since EZGit injects the certificate into the SSH agent of the machine, most Git clients are able to pick up that certificate and authenticate you, meaning that you can secure your repositories while keeping the same amazing experience that your users are used to. Thank you for watching, and I hope you love it as much as we do.